Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Kankan flood saga takes a divergent. Flood fury not due to cloudburst. Local says they saw it coming. What was it? A Prudent Media special report. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath announces ₹2 lakh compensation to the family of deceased in Kankan floods. Home Department asked Hotel Leela Ventures Limited to close the operation of their offshore casino. Dempo Sports Club and Salgaonkar Sports Club play out a 1-1 draw in I-League. And Goa's Robin D'Souza hopeful of making it to Indian Premier League this season. Rajasthan Royals showing interest in Ranji all-rounder. Now the news in detail. After storming Kankan, October 2nd flood saga has taken another diversion, and it is believed that the main reason behind the flood fury in Kankan is not the cloudburst. NIO and Met Department are also confirming the fact. According to the villagers of Khotigaon and Gaudongri, the flood erupted from the massive water springs from the core of mountain and gushed in villages with full force. After considering these possibilities, Prudent Media made an attempt to explore more possibilities in detail and come to a shocking assumption. Primary observation points towards a possibility of water from Salauli Dam and Kari River Dam from Karwar to be the creators of this flood. Watch this special and exclusive report from Prudent Media.
Initially, it looked like a cloudburst, but Met Department clarified on the same day that it was definitely not a cloudburst.
I don't think this was a cloudburst. This was because this heavy rain were all over Goa, not on one spot.
What Prudent Media came across during its investigation and detailed study, cloudburst occurs only in monsoon. Secondly, cloudburst floods the entire area where it happens, like the one we experienced in Mumbai. Look at this picture. Khotigaon submerged underwater, but not the neighboring village of Gaudongri. Even the water didn't flow over Sristhar, but water gushed down from Chapoli mountains, flooding the area. But the enormous Karmal Ghat is not affected by flood water. But flood swept Padi, Gokulde and Barshe, thus proving that it is not a cloudburst, as a cloudburst would have flooded the entire taluka. Normally, thundering and incessant rains are the symptoms of cloudburst, but nothing amongst this happened in Kankan on October 2nd.
कसं तरी पाऊस पडला आणि गडगड मारताला का बेस्ट असं पडलं
बेस्ट पडलो म्हणजे कितें गडगड पावस पडटलो सुद्धा दिसलो नायलो एकदम काळें जालो ढग येयले जाले आनी हळू उदक चडपाक लागलें गडगड मारनाशिल्लो मास मारतालो पण तितलो गडगड असो न्ही
गडगड म्हळ्यार साडे दोन धाकसो मार त्यानंतर दिसभर पावस चालू उरलो
आणि साम
कंटिन्यू पावस चालू उरलो
आनी एकूचदां असो गडगड मारला की तो गडगड न्ही
कितली वरांचे सुमार
सादारण दिसता म्हाका तशें 9:30 10 स्टार्ट जालें दिसता म्हाका गडगड मारपाक
गडगड बी कांयच मारला सामको सुदूळ सामको वारो बी ना कांय ना सामको सुदूळ.
It was a resident of Kankan, Rajendra Pagi, who first observed this fact. He hinted towards a possibility that the floods were not due to cloudburst.
जर मण्या वचोन ते ज्या जाग्या वयल्यान उदक आयला थंयच्यान चलून वचोन सर्वे करीत तर एक्चुअल कारण कळटलें आनी ते साठी थंयची लोकल लोकांची मदत घेत तर तें सामकें सोंपें आसा. तर हाजेर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जाल्यार खरें कारण कळटलें क्लाउड बस्ट गा सुपर डॅमाचें उदक हेवटेन आयलें तें.
Our reporter from Kankan, Prasad Pagi, came across some surprising revelations from the villages of Badya and Yada. People claim that the flood was not due to cloudburst and the mountains developed water springs in the middle. People also confirmed what Prudent Media has observed.
ते पळयले ते समते दोंगरा भितरल्या झराविल्ले का उदका बुळमो उदक ते दोंगर हेजेर ते आवाज जाला ग्रुप हे जालो
आवाज आयल्लो तुमकां आयल्लो
हय आवाज येतकीर ते सगळे झराव भायर सरले उदकाचे
सगळ्यांना जेवण येयले सगळ्यांना काय ना उडो
कशें तरेन आयलें उदक
सामके एके बरें जळोन सुटले
एकूच बरोबर म्हळ्यार
एके बरें गोवाल्यान सुटले ते.
Just have a look at these visuals from Google Earth and see what it shows.
What we can see here on the right hand side is the Kali river, which is going right on top up to Dandeli, and there is a dam and there is a reservoir here for the Kali dam, and this is the road going to Dandeli. This is the road coming on the coastline from Paule to Mashe to Kankon. This is the national highway going from Padi to Madgaon, and this is the road via Paingin it goes, and from Paingin this road goes via Ambeghat to Sange, and from Sange it goes down where we can see at another blue patch here, which is a reservoir of Salauli Dam. Near Barshe is Padi. On right hand side what we can see is Karmal Ghat. The water came here, Gokulda is somewhere here, and if we go little closer we can see that there is lot of space for water to come, lot of ways, and from water might have come from here, which was there in this reservoir of Salauli. Now let's come across the Karmal Ghat on Kankon side. We can see two rivers. One river is Talpand river, which is going from Kankon upwards, and this is somewhere is the bridge at Bhatpar. From here it goes to Partagar, and from there somewhere from Khotigaon it goes somewhere here. The other river is on the right hand side, which is Galjibag river, which we can see which goes from here to Paingin, and from here this river also goes in the same terrain where the Talpand river is coming. If we see this, then here the water can come somewhere from this side, and if there was a way, there is a way somewhere for water to go, then we can see just across here the reservoir of Salauli Dam. Let us go little rightwards in the same area where this was the area where we saw the two rivers emerge, the Talpand and Galjibag. And if we go this way, we can see here there is a way. We see the Kali river and the reservoir at Dandeli of the Kaiga Dam. From here the water could flow somewhere this side and might have come here this side and got into the rivers of Talpand and Galjibag.
We showed these Google Earth visuals to some of the experts, and they opined that Salauli Dam water might be the reason of flood situation. They expressed that Kali river water gushing in Kankon is far beyond the possibility. But still, they have kept a place for ifs and buts in their conclusions. Prudent Media has already passed all this information to the concerned officers, and they have started their research finding the reason behind the epic of Kankon floods. Whatever may be the outcome of the research, but one thing is highlighted, that the Kankon flood fury was not a nature's wrath, but it was possibly a man-made destruction.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has announced ₹2 lakh compensation to the families of deceased in Kankon floods. He has also assured to compensate the agricultural loss. Chief Minister has announced ₹2 lakh compensation to the families of deceased in Kankon floods. CM announced this in a press briefing held in Panji at his Altino residence.
तांकां 1 लाखाचो चेक पयलीं गव्हर्मेंटाचे वतीन दितो आनी 1 लाखाचो दोगी जाण आर्टिस्ट आशिल्ले. तातूंतलो एकलो प्रसाद लोलयेकारा बरोबर नाटकां सुद्दां काम करतालो. म्हणजे त्या दोगांकी कलाकार कृतज्ञता निधींतल्यान 1 लाख रुपया आज हांव दोनी 2 लाख रुपया आज तांकां हँड ओवर करता. प्रायम मिनिस्टरान ते ऑल ओवर सगळ्या राज्यांनी तो सेपरेटली प्रायम मिनिस्टराच्या रिलीफ फंडांतल्यान ताणें 1 लाख रुपया दिल्या पळय तांकां डेथ रिपोर्ट धाडपाक जाय. डेथ रिपोर्ट धाडलो की ते चेक सेपरेटली येतलो.
Kamath briefed more on his visit to Delhi. He also spoke about the compensation to the agricultural loss caused in Kankon.
एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाच्या स्किमीचो ज्या कशा पद्दतीन ह्या शेतकऱ्यांक फायदो करून दिवपाक मेळटा ताजेर आपूण एग्जामीन करता म्हणून चलतालें. म्हणजे फॉर एग्जाम्पल